Let's start this episode by cutting through the noise and addressing the hype that surrounds agentic AI agents. It's always important to manage expectations, especially when dealing with new technology. What do we know for sure? You can easily make the case that the software landscape is shifting from massive enterprise systems to specialized tools that give domain experts like you unprecedented leverage. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to position yourself to take advantage of this shift. I'm your host, Zachary Alexander, Agentic AI Explorer. And today we're diving deep into how Agentic AI is creating real opportunities for professionals and small businesses. Not in some distant future, but right now. So, what does Agentic AI mean for service providers and domain experts? Think of Agentic AI as something akin to having a highly capable assistant who learns your preferences and decision-making patterns, works 24/7 on routine tasks, and explains themselves when you ask about why they did something or what their reasoning was. It gets even better over time through feedback. So let's go a little deeper and talk about the benefits of Agentic AI agents, learning your preferences and decision-making patterns. When Agentic AI agents learn your preferences, it eliminates repetitive decision-making by remembering your past choices. Just like an experienced executive assistant who knows how you prefer to handle specific situations without even asking. Agentic AI agents reduce errors and maintain consistency by applying your established decision-making rules across all similar situations. It means never having to correct the same mistake twice. Okay, rabbit hole alert. One of the key paradigm shifts is embracing higher dimensional data. Business data is no longer just tabular. It now includes images, mood boards, and videos. There's a lot more to say about this, so come back often and check out some of my other upcoming videos. Okay, so let's continue. You can save a significant amount of management time by letting AI agents handle routine decisions autonomously, while still keeping control of the important strategic choices that need your expertise. Opportunity management will make or break you. Now let's discuss the implication of Agentic AI agents working 24/7 on routine tasks. Agentic AI agents used in this manner eliminate business hour limitations. Clients and customers can get instant responses and service fulfillment at 3 a.m. just as effectively as 3 p.m., giving you a competitive edge in customer satisfaction and global reach. They create a maintenance-free background operation. Routine tasks like data processing, report generation, and system monitoring happen continuously without human oversight, preventing backlogs and bottlenecks. Agentic AI agents can maximize your productive hours by handling administrative work while you sleep. You can start each day with completed reports, organized data, and prioritized tasks instead of spending your morning catching up on overnight operations. For the record, you can think of Agentic AI agents as having an upon request capability. They can explain the reason for taking a given action upon request. This is probably the biggest missed opportunity in Agentic AI agents. Too many very smart people see Agentic AI agents as black boxes instead of learning platforms. Having said that, here are some other benefits. The upon request capability of Agentic AI agents builds trust and confidence in automated decisions by providing clear explanations of why actions were taken. It's like having a transparent decision log that helps you validate the AI choices. The upon request capability makes it easier to refine and improve processes since you can understand exactly where and why adjustments are needed. You can think of this like having a team member who can clearly articulate their problem-solving approach. The upon request capability ensures accountability by allowing you to verify the agent's logic and catch potential issues before they become problems. Thinking of it as having the stop the line button. If things suddenly start to go awry, you can stop the processing by asking a question. The last topic we want to cover is continuous improvement through feedback or proactive enhancements. Agentic AI agents can continuously refine their performance based on real-world results, like having an employee who not only learns from their mistakes, but systematically improves their approach based on what works. They can adapt to changing business conditions by incorporating new information and outcomes into their decision-making process. It's similar to having a team member who proactively updates their skill to match the evolving market needs. Agentic AI agents have the capability of building an increasingly valuable knowledge base specific to your operations. Think of it as capturing and operationalizing your company's best practices in a way that gets smarter and more effective with each interaction. Now that we've given you the lay of the land, let's step off the happy path. There are challenges and big decisions you'll have to make, hopefully with the aid of your favorite AI agent. The biggest challenge you'll face right now is the changing nature of business data. There was a time when all data was two-dimensional or tabular. There was very little need or requests for better understanding of semantic relationships. However, agentic AI changes all that. Now business data needs to be multimodal. Think text, images, audio, video, whatever comes down the pike in the future. And the ability to see what's similar takes data to a whole different level and provides incredible insights. The good news is that you don't have to solve those higher dimensional business functions or dealing with the business data immediately. You can turn it into a project. Start by doing a self-assessment. How comfortable are you with change? What will it take for you to feel that the change is real and not just some fad? Prioritize just getting started. The incredible thing about AI is that you don't have to start with a complete roadmap. All you need is a simple question. You can use AI to quickly flesh out the details. There is even a name for it. It's called meta prompting. You ask a question about how you go about achieving the goal or task you want to achieve, and then evaluate the response. You can make the case that it's better if you don't know all the details. The reason is called Conway's Law. It suggests that organizations design systems that mirror their own communication structure. It's better to let the AI take the lead because they are designed to introduce new options. Now, this can get a little dicey depending on the temperature level of the AI responses. Temperature level is the reason AI responses can vary wildly. However, if you turn down the temperature, then the responses will fall within an acceptable range. The benefit of using this technique is that you have access to a lot more options than you can think of on your own. Now, it's your choice. You can wait for the world to figure everything out and fight over the scraps, or you can choose to start creating value now, today. You can start by subscribing to the Agentic AI Express because we are dedicated to providing you with a bullet train to AI mastery.